When the 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck, skyscrapers crumbled in seconds and the city was thrown into chaos. But while people ran for cover, massive machines, excavators, cranes, bulldozers, kept running in the heart of construction zones. Could these steel giants survive nature's fury, or were they doomed to fall? After the powerful 7.7 magnitude earthquake struck, leaving behind scenes of devastation in Myanmar, rescue teams quickly mobilized heavy machinery to the site. Cranes, excavators, and specialized trucks worked around the clock to clear the rubble and open paths for search and rescue operations. Oh no! I hope everyone is safe. Next, under the sheer power of a heavy-duty machine like the RH-340, a 7.7 magnitude earthquake in Myanmar feels like nothing more than a slight tremor. With massive buckets and crushing force, it tears through the earth with ease. Nature may shake, but this beast doesn't flinch. The earthquake made the work of this crane very dangerous. A sinkhole left a dump truck stuck in deep water and had to be pulled to safety by another dump truck. The wall easily collapsed before the power of this monster. The driver's response was very quick. The scene of the rescue of two bulldozers reminds us of a mother searching for her children playing in the mud. Next, the Komatsu PC-2000-11 delivers powerful performance with fast, precise digging. Its large bucket moves tons of material in seconds, while the high-powered engine and hydraulic system keep it running strong in tough conditions. Oh no, a fire broke out in a large field. These agricultural machines work effectively to prevent the fire from spreading. When it comes to modern infrastructure, this high-speed rail track-laying machine is a game-changer. With cutting-edge tech and pinpoint precision, it rips out old tracks and installs new ones in record time. Modern, powerful, and built to perform, this machine takes rail construction to the next level. Next, the SLJ-900 bridge girder launcher is a giant, intelligently designed machine that weighs 580 tons and is nearly 92 meters long. With its intelligent design and advanced technology, it can transport and install large bridge girders quickly and accurately, no crane required. It is a true symbol of strength and precision in modern infrastructure construction. Wow! It looks like these two cars are evenly matched. Which car do you think will win? Leave a comment below. Next, SPMT is used in the mining mine. With its extremely high load capacity and flexible movement, it helps speed up the rock transfer process, minimize risks and maximize mining efficiency. A truck carrying Tito vodka overturned, sending bottles of the stuff flying all over the road. The incident caused traffic disruption in the area, but fortunately there were no casualties. Moving a 300-ton transformer through the narrow streets of Brown Im is no small feat. With a massive transport rig and a carefully coordinated crew, every turn and incline had to be handled with precision. Next, a huge mining dump truck bed is transported through a winding mountain road, showcasing the skill and coordination it takes to move something this massive. The specialized multi-axle trailer crawls carefully around sharp curves and steep grades, with escort vehicles leading the way and workers constantly monitoring every move. Look at the awesome power of this undercarriage loader. Its power is amazing. Next, we will see together the process of how the craftsmen create this heavy monster cake. When monsters like this appear at construction sites, I have a feeling that the earthquake in Myanmar will be quickly resolved. Next, the John Deere 7530 was buried deep in red mud, barely able to budge. With a heavy-duty tow truck and a sharp rescue team, the tractor was slowly pulled to safety. Wow! With just one light movement, the machine easily lifted the large amount of wood out of the truck as if it were nothing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more awesome heavy equipment content.